Hello dear students, welcome to standard 3rd. Today we will start with the first lesson of science, that is living and non-living things. So students, we see wide variety of things around us, from which some are living while some are non-living things. Let us learn more about living and non-living things today. All the animals and plants are living things. Living things need water and food. They move, they grow, they feel, and they produce their own kind. On the other hand, non-living things do not need food or water. They do not move, they do not grow, they do not feel, or they do not produce their own kind. Living things are natural. They cannot be made by humans. Amongst many non-living things, some are made by humans while some are made by nature. Non-living things which are made by humans are called as man-made things. For example, cars, toys, roads, buildings, tables, chairs, and many more things. Now, let us study the difference between living and non-living things. All the living things have some characters that make them different from non-living things. Let us study about them. Living things need food and water. All the living things need food to live. This food gives them energy so that they can do different type of work. It keeps them healthy and helps them to grow. Plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, and air. On the other hand, animals cannot make their own food, so they eat plants and other animals to get food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things breathe. All the living things need air to breathe. If there is no air, living things will die. Living things have special organs for breathing. Humans breathe through their nose. Through nose, the air goes into the lungs. Land animals like cow, horse, dog, cat, zebra, tigers, all of them have lungs for breathing. Insects like grasshopper breathe through a tiny pores known as spiracles. These spiracles are spread all over their body. Fishes and other aquatic animals have gills. These gills help them to take inside oxygen which is present in the water. Plants breathe through tiny pores present on the underside of them, which are called as stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move. Plants and animals have different movements. Plants are fixed in the soil with the help of their roots, and hence they cannot go from one place to another. However, some plants move their body parts. For example, touch me not plant or mimosa plant. This plant closes its leaf when somebody touches it. Animals move on their own from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and protect themselves from enemies. Some animals like cat, dog, cow, horses move with the help of their legs. Birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Fish move with the help of their fin and tail. Snakes, earthworm move with the help of their whole body. Living things, non-living things do not move. Living things feel and respond to their surrounding. What do we feel when we are hungry? How do we come to know that someone is knocking at the door? We feel pain when we are hurt. All the living things feel. Living things can feel things with the help of sense organs. 5 sense organs are there: eyes, nose, ears, skin, and tongue. Just like animals, plants also feel. So we should not harm them. Non-living things neither feel or do respond. Thinking of other animals that use their sense organs to perform specific tasks. Living things grow. You must have seen your photographs when you were babies. You were much smaller than what we are today. Living things change their shape and size as they grow. So, all the living things take birth, they grow, they become old, and they die. Non living things do not grow. Living things reproduce. Living things have the ability to give birth to their own kind. This process is called as reproduction. Some animals like birds and tortoise lay egg. These eggs hatch and the baby comes out of this egg. Some animals give birth to young ones. For example, cat, horse, monkeys and humans. Plants produce seeds which grow into the plant. Under suitable conditions like warmth, air, water, sunlight, the seed grows into a baby plant. This baby plant grows and becomes a new plant. On the other hand, non-living things do not reproduce. Have you ever seen your football, bicycle, laptop or bus producing more of their own kind? No. Thus, non-living things do not reproduce. So, this is all about living and non-living things. Thank you.